Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Sorry, can I have a minute of your time, sir? Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. My name is Stanley. And I was supposed to meet with a friend there for a job.
What the minute?
I'm reaching here, I've been calling his number but switched off. As I am speaking to you now, I don't have anything on me. So, sir, please, I don't know if I can get the least 2K transport to go home.
It is shocking.
Sir, I don't beg you before.
Yes, nah. Bad guy. You get line shout. Have you forgotten? Last time I gave you 2K for transport for conference.
My back door.
Now you.
I was actually looking for you for long.
Are you serious?
I've been looking for you for long. My guy, you know how the economy is now. I've been looking for you. I've been teach me this hustle.
It's okay, no problem. So what's your name?
My name is Lighter.
Lighter.
God have mercy upon us.
I have a lot of rules. But you learn on the job. You learn on the job. But my number one rule is you don't use your real name or phone number to contact any client.
Do you understand? Okay, sir.
You don't have to follow a client home.
Okay, sir.
Because he says, oh, there is money at home, you should come with him. Don't follow him, then go beat you.
Okay, sir.
I'm talking out of experience.
So which line will I use? Should I tell them that I'm hungry?
Jesus.
Who will believe you? With this big tummy. This tummy that looks like overdue pregnancy. I beg go. See, just tell them that your name is Mark. You came for your friend's mother's burial. I'm reaching here now. You don't have transport to go home. So if they can help you to give you transport to go home. So that's what you should say. Oh.
Okay, champ.
So but remember, you'll be remitting 20% after each daily hustle. Do you understand? So now go to your office.
Okay, sir.
All right
Thank you
now.
very much.
So go.
Okay, I really appreciate it, sir.
What did they tell me thank you for? Go come back, they can't remit money today. Say in there with him big tummy. Overdue pregnancy. I'll go meet that bro so then go find me something.
2 weeks later.
Lighter.
We must learn a lesson.
Rule number 5. Don't enter into a client car.
Client?
Yeah.
It's one of my toys.
Lighter.
Yes.
One of your toys.
Is it not the same work you taught me? I even have many boys that are working for me.
Stop the play begging that we are doing. You've turned it to a company.
Yes.
Wise one. Show me pattern.
Hope you enjoy that Romy video. Please subscribe. Thank you. We love you. Bye.